Hello, we are on the scene at the Miami International Boat Show, and I am here with Raas, Aquila Product Development, the president of Aquila Product Development, and he's going to give us a personal tour through the Aquila display here. So, how's the show been so far?
Yeah, Miami Boat Show, that's always super exciting and got our great Aquila product here, so just excited to show you about it.
Wonderful. So, what are we standing in front of here?
Okay, this is our Aquila 44, which has been an amazing boat. We actually have built over 100 of these now, which is pretty incredible.
100?
Yeah, 100. Got over 100 of these now out of the factory. And just wonderful, wonderful boat. So, yeah, we're really proud of it and continues to be great selling boat. So.
Yes, I know. I've been on one before in the British Virgin Islands. They're fabulous.
Yeah.
All right, so take a walk with me, Lex.
Okay.
Let's take a look at what else we have in the display here. I see a model back there. Is that one of the boats here at the display, or what are we looking at here?
The model that we've got there is our new Aquila 70, which is coming out this year. And we're really excited about it because it's sort of our entry into the luxury yacht segment, so 70 foot.
Right. So what's different about the 70 foot than what you see in the current product?
Well, it's just a lot bigger, and
Well, okay, obviously the length, but in terms of like the interior and the design of it, you said luxury, definitely more of a luxury product.
Yeah. So, for example, we're using all Italian furniture in that inside the salon and the dining room. It's got a full dining room in it as well, and just using all top-end equipment all around. And one of the coolest thing is actually the top of the boat, which is how we're bringing out sort of the enclosed fly bridge, semi-open, but all the normal great Aquila stuff, which is bulbous bow,
Right.
walkway from the front down, from the fly bridge area down to the front, beautiful seating area in the forward area. So this boat's so full of features that I'd keep you busy for an hour. So,
We probably have another video specifically on the 70,
Yeah.
and I know that we'll have a lot more information for people, as we develop or as, information comes out. So you said one thing there, bulbous bow.
Yes.
Like, why is that important?
Well, bulbous bows do a couple of things, and that is they really improve the seakeeping of the boat, particularly on catamarans, as far as the way the boat goes through the water. It also extends the waterline length of the boat. So yeah, there's just the bulbous bows have been
Say that
around,
3 times fast.
and they really do help. Our Aquila 44 has got bulbous bows and works super well. So,
All right, so definitely improves the boating experience.
absolutely, much smoother.
All right.
ride.
All right, so let's
Much smoother ride.
continue along our little way here. If you follow us this way, we are going to go take a look at what else we have. So as we're coming up here, is this the 36? What are we looking at here?
Yeah, this is our Aquila 36 outboard powered boat. Again, this boat has really just been a home run for us at Aquila, and we offer it in various different versions. As you can see here, we've got this sort of the sport boat layout. Next to it is actually the same boat, but it's a full fishing version and diving version layout. Another cool feature of this boat is that we offer it with the foils. And that's basically already a great running boat, but we actually improve the efficiency by about 30% on average when we add the foils. So this is really, it's called the Aquila Hydroglide. And so, we're really working on that, and we're the leaders in the world on that as far as production boats are concerned. So we're super excited about that. But the Aquila 36, man, whatever you want to do with it, it can do for you.
I mean, you can see two very different additions side by side, exact same boat. Those who maybe prefer to cruise, those who prefer to be a little bit more active. So you did mention the Aquila Hydroglide system. Where else will people have seen the foils before? Like, where else in, give us a reference point of what the foils actually are.
Okay, yeah, well, foils have been around a long time. I mean, they're not new. I think the major difference is what we're really doing is we're providing foil system where the boat doesn't lift completely out the water. So it's really easy. You don't need skill. So the
Right.
problem with a lot of foiling, like on sailboats and that, where we've seen them charging around, and they, guys that can come off the foil, and it can really be an issue. Our boats are absolutely, you don't even really know you got the foil. Only thing it tells you got the foil is it rides better, and your fuel efficiency is 30% better. So that's really what it is. You don't have to have the foil, it just improves everything.
Improves.
So,
I mean, why not, right? If you have it as an option, why not get the Aquila hydrofoils?
Yep, that's it, the Aquila Hydroglide.
Yes.
That's it, yeah.
And I also heard that there's something that's not here, but you guys announced that you have a 54-foot catamaran that's coming to market. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, so the Aquila 54 is, if you take our Aquila 70 and the Aquila 54, they look very similar. So a real sexy, beautiful looking boat. And the folks, as you saw on the model of the 70, it's exceptionally good looking boat. But 54 is just that little bit smaller. It's obviously a big 54 footer. I mean, it's got as much space as most 65, 70 foot boats. So it's got enormous space. We offer it with 3, 4, or 5 cabin versions. And that will be out in the States sort of around about August, the first boat. So looking forward. 2020, going to be an exciting year for Aquila because we've got quite a lot of new product on the way. But we've got also a fantastic product here that is well proven and continues to be great selling boats. Our Aquila 36 actually is one of the market leaders in America in that size range as far as catamarans and all that are concerned. So really done some pretty good stuff with it.
All right, so we're going to continue along here and walk with the crowd. You can see the docks at the Miami International Boat Show are getting a little full. And we're coming up on the MarineMax Vacations display, and they have a fleet of Aquila catamarans down in the British Virgin Islands. But we're going to go in here and look at the 32. So we got the 44, we hit the 36, talked about the 70, we talked about the 54, and this is the 32. So what would you, what are like the standout features of the 32?
Okay, the Aquila 32 is basically a smaller Aquila 36. So it has a lot of the great features on it. However, the big difference is 36 is 2 cabin, 2 bathroom. This boat is 1 cabin, 1 bathroom. It's a boat full of innovation. It's a really good running boat. We have the swim platform that wraps around the outboards here.
Yeah.
We got a really good deal on these boats at the Miami Boat Show right now. And it's, we're going to really, so, if anything in the 32-foot range, you cannot beat what we're offering here as far as a deal as at Miami is concerned. It's just a wonderful, wonderful boat. It's our newest Aquila on the market. So come on down, have a look, man.
Yeah, you heard it here first. Boat show deals happening in the Aquila display. All right, so last but not least, what are we looking at over here? Let's kind of stand in front of this.
Yeah, so over here we have the Aquila 44, which we had one right at the beginning as well. So, but really what we got here is our MarineMax Vacations, where we use exclusively Aquilas. And for those that haven't tried having the best vacation of their lives, it's time to have the best vacation of your lives. Contact us at MarineMax Vacations. Yeah, get out in Aquila. You got the 3 best things. You got the best distribution company, sales company, MarineMax, fantastic service, best charter company, and the best boat. So come on, there we got a trifecta, right?
No, I mean, you can try it before you buy it, right? If you, spend a week in the British Virgin Islands aboard an Aquila catamaran and come back to the States and get you one. So I think that's a great summation of what Aquila has to offer here. I mean, I'm here, so I get to see it in person. But if you can't make it down here to the show, to Miami this weekend, MarineMax.com/online boat show will bring you everything. So we've got photo, video. You can even get the boat show specials. If you decide to purchase a boat, you can place a deposit. You can even chat live with boating experts. So Lex, thank you so much for having me. And we'll see you guys out on the water.
Thanks, Lisa.